Hello everyone, so if you want to check if your Realme C67 smartphone is original, well, first of all, here to examine your box. The packaging should be high quality with a clear Realme logo and with no spelling errors. Also look for a barcode and security number right here at the top of your package. Alright, now the second way to verify it is through your IMEI number. So simply open up your dial-up, open up your phone application, open up your dial-up. Now we are to dial our secret code, which sounds like *#06*. So here we've got our IMEI 1, ICCID 1, IMEI, and so on. So copy the information of your IMEI, press copy everything before the / icon and press OK. Alright, now let's open up any browser. I'm gonna be using Google Chrome, you can use everything else. Alright, so now we are to type imei.info. Alright, as we logged in, now we have to paste or simply manually enter your phone number. Your IMEI number, of course. Press check IMEI. Now you're gonna go through a verification process where you may have to do a CAPTCHA. However, it was okay this time, and as you see, our Realme is legitimate, so as it is. Also, the last but not least is to feel the phone and inspect its build. It's unusually lightweight, even has uneven gaps or poorly functioning buttons. It might be a fake one. Also pay attention to the screen quality. Genuine devices have high screen resolution displays with accurate color reproduction. As for the last one, we are to open up our settings, to scroll down and to check our About Phone tab. Here you gotta press on your Realme UI option and to check if your version is up to date, because fake phones never receive official updates from Realme. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.